If you want to display the contents of a third plugin in WooCommerce emails through WooCommerce Email Template Customizer, for example, show the bank details of the direct bank transfer payment gateway, or display subscription information of WooCommerce Subscription, or you want to display custom fields of the checkout field editor for WooCommerce plugin, WooCommerce hook element in WooCommerce Email Template Customizer that will handle these problems. The WooCommerce hook element is integrated in the email that allows you to insert custom coded points wherever the hooks run. If you want to display the content of the third plugins, just drag and drop the WooCommerce hook element to the position which you want to display it in email template. There are 3 hook positions you can choose with this plugin: before order table, after order table, or order meta hook. Just click on the element to switch these positions. If you are using direct bank transfer payment gateway on your site and you want to display bank account detail on email transaction by WooCommerce Email Template Customizer, just go to the email template, customize for the on-hold email type. Bank account details will show before order table, so you have to drag and drop the WooCommerce hook element before order table and choose relevant hook. If you want to show subscription information of WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin, you can drag and drop the WooCommerce hook element and select the after order table hook in relevant email types. Then you can see subscription information will be included in email template. If you want to display custom fields of checkout field editor for WooCommerce, you can drag and drop the WooCommerce hook element and select the hook position you want in relevant email types. The plugin can display contents of third plugins in the default template type. For example, display update points of YITH WooCommerce points and rewards. When this plugin has own email system that is not included in WooCommerce notification emails. Go to email template, you can see the default template type. You can customize header, footer, suggested products and social elements. When you activate WooCommerce Email Template Customizer plugin and a third plugin, this default template will be used if none template is detected, and the subject will be get from original email. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe to get our new videos.